Competency Assessor for Food Production Professional Cookery and Citrus. So today, I will be conducting your competency assessment for the unit Monitor Daily Cleaning Routine. So this orientation will guide you through the entire assessment process. I would like to acknowledge the presence of our tester representative who is here, Ms. Ortega. Thank you for coming. Ms. Rinal, you, and Ms. Barbero. So to ensure that the assessment process strictly follows the TESTA policies, procedure, and quality assurance guidelines. Okay, so first, please be informed that this assessment may be recorded for documentation, monitoring, and quality assurance purposes in accordance with TESTA regulation. So the recording will be used strictly for validation and audit purposes only. So do you voluntarily give your consent to proceed?
Yes.
Thank you. So before we proceed, kindly submit your admission slip and other required documents. Thank you. So attendance and eligibility will be verified to ensure that all requirements for the assessment have been met. So I will check your attendance. Please be respond if your name is called. So Ms. Ortega.
Present.
Okay. Ms. Tataro. So, assessment is the process of collecting evidence to determine whether a candidate can perform tasks and responsibility according to the workplace standards and industry requirements. So, it is based on the training regulation for food production and safety. So, you are being assessed under food production professional cookery and safety, specifically the unit monitor daily cleaning routines. This unit requires you to demonstrate competence in monitoring cleaning activities, ensuring workplace hygiene, and analyzing resources and applying occupational health and safety or OHS standards. So you will perform a demonstration with oral questioning within the scheduled time of 10 a.m. to 11:30 a.m. During the demonstration, you are expected to first review cleaning needs and assess the site, and conduct general cleanliness assessment, identify special cleaning requirements, determine scope and timing for cleaning, analyze resources and develop work schedules, determine and provide appropriate equipment, PPE, chemicals, and consumables. Ensures a safety and hygienic workplace after monitoring cleaning routines. So first, demonstration and observation. Your actual performance will be observed and marked as satisfactory or not satisfactory based on the rating sheet. So you will answer selected questions related to cleaning procedure, OHS compliance, safety, hazard, and use of PPE and enterprise standards. So response will be marked as yes for satisfactory or no if not satisfactory. So your performance will be evaluated based on the performance criteria. So your performance will be evaluated based on the performance criteria. Feedback will be provided. After gathering sufficient evidence, you will receive one of the following results. So first, competent, if all performance criteria are met. So if not met, or not yet competent, NYC, if standards are not fully met. So both practical skills and underpinning knowledge must be demonstrated to be declared competent. So if you have any religious practices or medical condition that may affect our performance or your performance, please inform the assessor. So reasonable adjustment can be provided without lowering competency standards. So reasonable adjustment may include clarification of instructions or repetition of questions. However, assessment standards will remain the same for all candidates. So, do's and don'ts, follow OHS procedures, at, wear appropriate PPE, maintain proper hygiene and sanitation. Lastly, ask questions if instructions are unclear. Don'ts, don't ignore safety hazard, use equipment improperly, and don't skip required clinic procedures. Lastly, don't violate enterprise standards. So, lastly, you have the right to be fair, valid, reliable, and unbiased assessment. So, if you believe that assessment result is unfair, you may file an appeal following DASTA procedures. So, if declared competent, you may be issued a certificate of competency or COC for this unit. So, completion of all required units may qualify you for issuance of national certificate for NC3. So, if declared not yet competent, you may apply for assessment after further training and preparation. So the assessment will follow the guidelines. So that concludes the competency assessment orientation for the unit. Monitor daily cleaning routines under food production, professional cookery, and secretary. So you have been informed of the following. So the purpose of and process of assessment, the unit of competency and performance criteria, the task to be performed and time limits, the assessment procedure and rating system. So you have the rights and allowable adjustment and appeal process, and lastly the issuance of COC or NC and reassessment procedure. So if there are no further questions or clarification, we will now proceed with the competency assessment proper. So, is that clear? Okay. Okay. Thank you, and I wish you the best in your demonstration.